Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the English podcast. It's Emma here, and wow, today feels like the coziest morning ever. I'm sitting here with a warm mug, soft blanket, and honestly, I'm in such a good mood.
And I'm Jake. Hi, guys. And yes, Emma really looks like she's in holiday mode. Blanket, warm drink, everything. Meanwhile, I'm just here in a simple t-shirt like a confused guy who doesn't know what season it is.
You really don't know seasons, Jake. Last winter, you wore summer shoes in the snow.
Hey, in my defense, the weather tricked me. It was sunny in the morning and then boom, snowstorm. My feet suffered that day.
See, guys, this is exactly why today's topic is so helpful. But wait, before we jump in, let's do something fun. Jake, guess what we're talking about today?
Judging by the blanket, the warm mug, and the fact that you forced me to check the sky before walking in here, I'm guessing weather.
Yes, talking about weather, the most useful and friendly way to start conversations in English. Small talk, real life talk, daily life talk. Weather is everywhere. If you want warm, simple English conversations, if you want to speak more naturally every single day, and if you're learning with us regularly, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson. It helps the channel grow and tells us you want more cozy episodes like this one. All right, ready? Let's talk about weather, but in the most natural, friendly, real-life way.
So, Emma, be honest. How's the weather in your heart today?
In my heart, sunny, warm, maybe a little windy because I woke up late.
Same. My mood is like mostly cloudy with a chance of snacks.
Pretty accurate for you. But let's start simple for our learners. Jake, how's the weather outside right now?
I'd say it's a little chilly, but the sun is peeking out. Good natural sentence, right?
Perfect. Or you can say, it's cool and breezy today. Or the sky is clear, no rain. Or my favorite winter one, it feels cozy today.
Cozy weather is such an Emma phrase.
Because it is cozy. When the sky is soft gray and the air feels calm, I just want tea in the quiet moment.
Same. Weather affects mood so much. When it's sunny, I feel more confident. When it's raining, I slow down. When it's cold, I become a burrito in a blanket.
True. For beginners, you can describe weather using sunny, cloudy, windy, rainy, stormy, snowy, chilly, warm, hot, freezing.
Simple words, big improvement.
Okay, Jake, imagine we are in an elevator. We don't know each other. We want simple small talk.
Okay. Hi, nice day, isn't it?
Yes, classic. Or, it's really cold today. Or, looks like it might rain later. Or, the weather's been crazy this week.
That last one, everyone uses it. Weather is the perfect way to start a conversation without stress.
And it makes you sound friendly.
Emma, you like rain, right?
I do. When I'm home, with tea, with a movie, and with no plans.
So basically when rain supports your lazy lifestyle.
Yes. And learners can say, it's raining heavily. It's drizzling. Light rain. The weather is gloomy. It's wet and muddy outside.
Or my favorite, I forgot my umbrella again.
When it's freezing, you can say, it's very cold. It's freezing outside. It's icy. It's snowy. It's below 0.
Or, my hands are numb. My nose is frozen. My bones are shaking.
Your bones? Jake, please.
Hey, winter attacks me personally.
Okay, summertime. You can say, it's really hot today. It's humid. It's boiling. I'm sweating already.
Or the classic, it feels like the sun is sitting on my head.
That's very true for July.
Here's the fun part, connecting weather to your emotions. This is natural English.
Like, when the weather is sunny, I feel energetic. Rain makes me feel calm. Cold weather makes me nostalgic. Cloudy days make me sleepy.
For me, windy weather makes me dramatic. I start walking like I'm in a movie scene.
True, I've seen it. You pretend your hair is blowing in slow motion. Can I tell you something? I remember when I was younger, every time it snowed, my mom would open the window a little and I would stand there watching the snowflakes fall. That soft white world, it made me feel like everything was peaceful.
Oh, that's beautiful. I have one too. When I was a kid, rainy days meant my dad made hot soup. So even now, whenever it rains, I feel comfort, like someone is giving me a warm hug.
See? Weather is not just weather. It's memories, feelings, moods.
And that's why it's so easy to talk about.
Let's do a quick practice for listeners.
Okay. Emma, how was the weather this morning?
It was cool and fresh. I loved it. Jake, what about yesterday?
It was too hot. I was sweating like crazy.
And how will the weather be tomorrow?
I think it'll rain. The sky looks gray.
Perfect. Simple, clear, natural. And before we wrap up, let me say this. Weather is one of the easiest ways to connect with people in English. A small sentence like, nice weather today, can open a big conversation. And when you use simple, natural words, you sound friendly and confident. So next time you go out, look at the sky, look at the air, and try one sentence. That's how your English grows. One sentence, one small moment at a time.
Beautiful. And remember, guys, speaking English is not about perfection. It's about connection. And weather is a great place to start.
All right, friends, stay warm, stay cozy, stay sunny, whatever your weather is today.
We'll see you in the next episode. Take care, everyone.